When we first started out, our goal was to make solar the #1 source of new energy being installed. And that was a preposterously large goal.
There's always been this sentiment that the clean forms of energy are too expensive. We are all a part of making this transition to being the lowest cost of energy, hands down. We really push to innovate without any fear.
No one ever shipped that amount of trackers. No one ever developed software for power plants the way we do. Everything we do is innovative.
We got people from supply chain, project management, people from finance. We had everyone basically engaged in the same process to come up with the right number, and we all live by that number, not just finance, right? It makes things being really successful.
There's so many people here with such diverse backgrounds, but when they come through the door, you feel that it is a team. We also like to have a little fun. What do we do for fun?
Dorothy, you're blushing.
It's because we had this partnership. We have these bonds with these suppliers that we were dealing with them fairly. So you were able to scale to a double capacity in a record time. So that for me is a proof that integrity is what matters here.
We're in it for the long run. We're here to be here for 30 years and beyond. And if anything goes wrong, we're going to go out and fix that as well.
It's hard to be sometimes fearless and just push for something and at the same time maintain always a straight way of acting around you, integrity. And I think we really managed to do it in the right way. And we don't have a willingness every morning to come and kill each other because we hate each other. Yeah, a little bit.
You pass it, that's the point.
Tell me how, on the ground, how being customer-centric impacts you and your global design department for Nextracker.
A lot of us have actually been in our customers' shoes before. The fact is, too, we can do our best job from an engineering perspective, planning it, but then different things happen when you're actually installing it in the field. It really becomes a collaboration with the customer all the way from the beginning to the end.
When we find the right partners and customers, and when we believe that we're doing the right thing, things come naturally. We've had projects in the past where a customer comes back and says, hey, if you just made these little tweaks here, it would really help to speed up the process. We would save so much money.
A lot of our relationships are spanning decades because we're able to keep learning through continuous improvement by working as a team.
Every time you have a problem, everyone's part of the solution, and no one runs away from it. We just get everyone together and try to solve the problem.
We're accountable from the beginning to the end of the chain.
I take great pride in seeing the projects completed and then seeing that we're there to support the customers through the entire life of the project.
When our partners see how committed we are and how we follow through, that creates a stronger bond and relationship than if we were just to give them a good product.
Now that we're winning on economics, it really feels like the wind is on our back. And so now it's just a race for how quickly we can go to a renewably powered world.